Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I was so excited that I was finally able to find a contact paper that's in a gray tone. This is called Driftwood, and I found it at Target and it was $5.99. And the great thing about this contact paper that I found is it is one long 20-foot sheet. Having it in a single long sheet made it look so much better when placing it all the way across the floor. Target also carries a 20-foot sheet and a marble print. If you're going for a glam look, that's probably the way you're going to want to go. If you want to see the original video I did with a Dollar Tree contact paper, I'll go ahead and put a link above and a link down below in the description box. And I will also put the updated version of that where I removed the flooring in the description box as well. This is about the space that was left before I had to open up a new roll. So it almost covered my entire kitchen. If it had covered my entire kitchen, this would be a $6 project, but I did buy 2 rolls, so this is closer to a $12 project. But either way, this is the color I was looking for, and I'm very happy with it. And this is the finished project, you guys. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like so I'll know to make more videos like this. And you're going to want to subscribe and go ahead and click those bell notifications so you don't miss any of my new weekly videos.